Hello everyone. Hello. We are just waiting for a few other people to join and then we'll start our live session. Revti, can you hear me? Yes, Rohit, or okay? Hi everybody,
Yes.
welcome to Amul live session with Sarthak Kochar. Revti, can you hear us?
Yes, chef, I can hear you very well.
Hi Zahida, thank you so much for joining. Thank you guys for joining my live session today. And today is keto special, so we'll be making a keto tofu wraps, very easy. With we are using lettuce, we are using tofu, we are using soya, sesame, butter, and we are not using any other kind of oil or spices. And tofu already has its hi Mridula, thank you so much. Hi, good to see you again. Hi Divya Menon, thank you so much for joining. So we'll be starting our session in a minute. Just waiting for a few other people to join. Hi Mahua Gupta, hi Pratibha, thank you guys for joining my session. Revti is with us on the call, and she will be reading out the comments, and Rohit will be helping us to hold the camera. Hi Mom, thank you so much for joining. Hi Sherbanu Abu, thank you. Hi Leena Mehta, thank you so much for joining. So we will be starting our session now. आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं tofu wraps. It's not a kind of a wrap. It's a kind of a salad cum an appetizer. जो आप लोग कीटो टाइप करते हैं वो लोग खा सकते हैं. And इसमें हम यूज़ करने वाले हैं सोया सॉस, विनेगर, सेसमे ऑयल, जिंजर, और हम यूज़ करेंगे उसमें बटर, स्प्रिंग अनियन, टोफू एंड साथ में सेसमे सीड एंड लेटस. तो आप कोई भी किसी भी तरीके का लेटस यूज़ कर सकते हैं. हाय शुभा शेट्टी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग. सो रेवती, आई विल जस्ट होल्ड द कैमरा टू रोहित एंड ही विल स्टार्ट helping me out, and then you can read out the comments.
Sure, sir.
Great. So I'll just lift the camera. You can see we have soya sauce. Hi Rajnikant Parekh, thank you so much for joining. We have vinegar, we have sesame oil, we have water, we have ginger, we have butter, spring onion, lettuce, sesame seed, tofu, peanut butter और हमारा पैन. तो अब हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं हमारी रेसिपी आज की जो है टोफू रैप. उसके लिए सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, हम बनाएंगे पीनट सॉस. तो पीनट सॉस बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, वी हैव टू टेक अ बाउल. और यहाँ पे आप दिखाइए उनको, हम दिखा देते हैं क्या करने वाले हैं. वी हैव टू टेक अ बाउल जिसमें हम डालेंगे पीनट बटर, और इसमें हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा सेसमे सीड्स. फिर इसमें हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा सेसमे ऑयल, और इसमें डालेंगे थोड़ा सा विनेगर.
Chef, you can say sir, hi to your recently joined followers. Pramila Agarwal says hello.
Hello everyone.
Rinku Singh also says hello.
Hello.
Sheetal Shah, she's asking what's the recipe name, chef?
I'm making today a very nice recipe tofu wrap, और साथ में हम बना रहे हैं पीनट सोया सॉस. तो पीनट सोया सॉस के आप देख सकते हैं मैंने पीनट लिया है. अब इसमें हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा पानी, और इसमें मैंने डाला है थोड़ा सा सेसमे ऑयल, थोड़ा सा विनेगर, और थोड़ा सा डालेंगे सेसमे सीड. I'll just mix it well. Show them.
Mahua Gupta says it's a yummy dish that you're preparing, chef. Indeed.
Yes, it will be for sure. And I'm making this dip. So this dip will be really nice. You can even toss the tofu with it, or else you can just serve it on the side the way I'm gonna do it. तो जो मेरी डिप बनाई है,
I just
Yes,
want to say to Rohit if he can focus on the dish because there's some comments coming.
Rohit, please focus on the dish what I'm making. तो आप देख सकते हैं हम बना रहे हैं डिप. जिस डिप पे मैंने डाला है पीनट बटर, थोड़ा सा सेजमे ऑयल और डालेंगे इसमें हम, और इसमें हमने डाला है सेजमे सीड्स, उसमें हमने डाला है थोड़ा सा सोया और थोड़ा सा विनेगर एंड वाटर टू मेक इट अ बिट टैंगी एंड नाइसर फर्मर विद टोफू। तो आप देख सकते हैं हमारा डिप तैयार हो गई है।
Chef Mahua Gupta says it's a mouth-watering sauce that you're making.
Thank you so much. I'll just taste it. It's really good. It tastes really good. You can, once we added this spring onion in it, it gives a very nice flavor. As you can see, it tastes really good. So our dip is ready. The crunchiness of spring onion is giving a very nice, subtle flavor to the our peanut dip. So our dip is ready. I'll keep dip on the side. You can show them the consistency. If you want it a bit more thinner, you can add a bit more water, and you can make it thin and little bit more vinegar. Okay. So our dip is ready. So now our second part.
It was super quick, huh?
Yes, it is. It is a very quick recipe. You know, keto diets usually people eat very healthy, less of carbohydrates. So now we'll be taking Rohit. Can we show them? We are taking tofu, and I'm taking silicon tofu. आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है आप क्या यूज़ करना चाहते हैं. आप पनीर से भी बना सकते हैं, बट tofu for a keto is it's advisable. तो हम tofu को क्या करेंगे? We will cut the tofu.
Chef Mridula Goel, she's saying, I want to taste it too.
She want to taste?
She wants to taste the dip that you prepared.
Definitely, you should come to UAE. Definitely, I'm gonna prepare for you, Mridula. Don't worry about it, for sure. So, हमारे tofu को मैंने cubes में काट लिया है. You can have a look.
Chandra Nath is saying it's looking amazing. Wow.
Thank you so much. Now we will heat up our pan. मैं इसको प्योर बटर में पकाऊंगा. आप लोग इसको सेजमे ऑयल में भी पका सकते हैं, बट आई विल बी कुकिंग जस्ट searing the tofu in butter. So butter gives a very nice and subtle flavor, and definitely. Do we have more comments, Revati?
Yes, Chef. Pratibha Jain, delicious dish.
Thank you.
Sunita Kochar says healthy and yummy dish.
Thank you so much. So अब हम ले रहे हैं पैन में अब हम डालेंगे बटर.
Chef Mridula Goel actually come on next holidays, so she might come to UAE.
For sure, Mridula, you should come to UAE, come to Ras Al Khaimah, Hilton Garden in Ras Al Khaimah, and I will prepare such kind of lovely dish for you. See, आप देख रहे होंगे कि इसमें मैंने बहुत सारा बटर डाला है, पर कीटो में you have to eat 70% fat, as I've told in my last session, and then you have to eat very less of carbohydrates. So we're not going to use lot of carbs. So we are using more of a fat and protein. So tofu has protein, and as well as butter has a fat. सब जब हमने बटर को क्या किया, आप देख सकते हैं बटर को हम थोड़ा सा गर्म कर रहे हैं अच्छे से, ताकि इसमें थोड़ा नटी फ्लेवर आ जाए, और उसके बाद हम इसमें डालेंगे हमारा टोफू.
So Chef, you can say the quantity, that how much butter you have taken.
See, I have taken almost 15 ग्राम ऑफ बटर, और जो टोफू मैंने लिया है, टोफू है ये 50 ग्राम. तो डिपेंड करता है लाइक आप कितनी क्वांटिटी में बनाना चाह रहे हैं. मैं सारा टोफू नहीं पकाने वाला, बिकॉज मैं इसी बटर के अंदर अगेन एंड अगेन आई विल सॉटे एंड आई विल कुक इट.
Chef, by the way, you can say hi to Neelu Sundas.
Hi
Yes,
Neelu,
hello.
thank you so much for joining the session.
Chef Mahua Gupta, and an interaction is very interesting part of this live session.
Thank you so much, Mahua. Really appreciate. Our cameraman is a bit tired, so sometimes he don't focus on the the food, or he focus somewhere else. But yeah, he is always trying his best to support me.
Clear.
Yes, Revati?
I said now it's clearly visible.
Yeah, it is. So he know now. He know what exactly I'm preparing. So आप देख सकते हैं, आप टोफू देख सकते हैं. लाइक ये इसको अभी हम बटर में कुक कर रहे हैं एंड इट हैज़ अ नाइस नटी फ्लेवर. सो इसको थोड़ा अच्छी गैस पे कुक होने देंगे टिल द टाइम. आपको हम दिखाएं, मैंने एक प्लेट ली है जो मैं यूज़ करने वाला हूँ प्लेटिंग के लिए. कुछ भी नहीं करना है इसके अंदर. यू कैन सी आई विल बी अरेंजिंग हियर आवर लेट्यूस. रैप्स बोल सकते हैं आप इसको, टोफू कप्स बोल सकते हैं. मैंने यूज़ किया है ग्रीन लोलोरोसो. सो इट्स अप टू यू व्हाट यू वांट टू यूज़.
Pratibha Jain, she's asking the same question. Paneer, yeah.
हाँ, पनीर आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं, पर लेकिन आई विल प्रेफर यू टू यूज़ tofu as it has more number of protein as well as it don't have a carbohydrates. So it has just 1 gram of carbohydrate as per 20 gram of tofu. So you can because in keto, if you are not on a keto diet, you can use paneer. But if you are on a keto diet, you have to prepare with tofu.
Chef, you can say hi to some new followers. So says hi, Chef.
Hi Sameer. Thank you so much for joining. So we can sprinkle some sesame. और अब हम इसमें डालेंगे जिंजर. तो जिंजर डालेंगे. जिंजर बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर देता है टोफू के अंदर. And then we will add dash of a soya. Soya is not a compulsion.
Chef, there's one question coming from Mridula. Can we use
Can we use
cabbage instead of
Cabbage.
lettuce?
Cadbury?
Cabbage instead of lettuce.
You can, Midhura, it's up to you because you can eat any kind of green vegetable in keto. You can use cabbage as well, but you know lettuce is much more firmer, and you have to use all the vegetables which is grown above the ground. So I won't prefer you to use carrot. I don't prefer to use all the vegetables which is grown up under the ground. So you have to use all the vegetables which is grown above the ground.
By the way, lettuce is also very easily available nowadays.
Yes, lettuce is very easily available. It totally depends upon you which kind of lettuce you want to use. It doesn't matter. You have to use the same kind of lettuce. I have used green लोलोरोसो. आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. आइसबर्ग बहुत easily available है इंडिया के अंदर. You can use iceberg. It totally depends upon you. इसमें हम थोड़ा सा स्प्रिंग अनियन डाल रहे हैं.
Chef, I hope you're going to make some more session in this year, and this is not your last session, I believe.
No, this is not my live session. Last session of this year. I have started doing live on Amul Arabia, and I will be doing a session on 25th, I think, or maybe on 30th. Not sure. But with Amul India, yes, I'm doing a session on 30th, same time, and I will be coming live with Amul Arabia in January. It will be Saturdays with Chef Sarthak Kochhar. So every Saturday will be dedicated to me by Amul Arabia, and I will be doing 4 sessions in a month with Amul Arabia, where we have a different set of followers. You guys can join in. You have to just follow the page of Amul Arabia, and you can see my recipes there. I might be repeating some of the recipes which I've done for Amul India. So yes, that's the thing. But most probably I'll be preparing Indian food for Amul Arabia, as I was doing a lot of Middle Eastern food for Amul India. So I will be having a live session on 25th most probably, and 30th, plus on Amul Arabia as well. And after that I will be coming live with Amul Arabia on like 4 sessions I've already told you. That will be called as afternoon live sessions with Chef Kochhar. So it will be with Amul Arabia. It will be 4 sessions in January. And there's one more thing which I'm gonna tell you. I will be coming up again on my Facebook page with Ministry of Taste midnight live sessions. I will be doing a session at my house, and most probably I'll be starting within this week. So those sessions will be schedule totally depends upon the my working hours. So if I'm coming live, I will definitely share one day prior on my Facebook story that I'm coming live on my Facebook profile, that is Chef Sarthak Kochhar, and I will be live there. And then I might try to do a live on YouTube as well. So
Yes, news that you're giving.
Yes,
and like me, all your viewers are also very happy. They're saying it's a great news. Amul Arabia Super by Raja Gopal. Mridula, she's asking, what are you showing us on 25th? Maybe she's excited because it's for Christmas Eve.
Yes. If I'm coming live on 25th, it will be Christmas theme. But I'm still in talking terms with Amol. Maybe I'll come live on 24th as we have a special Christmas dinner in the hotel. Like Diwali, I did a live session, right? So I'll be doing the same kind of a live session on 24th night for Christmas dinner, or maybe 25th lunchtime, because we have on 25th lunch we have a Christmas lunch. So I might come live on 25th to show you what we are preparing on the Christmas. So हमारा tofu हो गया है तैयार. इसमें आ गया color. You can have a look. It looks so lovely.
Chef Sunita Srivastav saying, looking forward for Amul Arabia. Also, Mahua Gupta says, waiting for Amul Arabia, Chef.
Thank you so much. And now we will be plating our tofu, which is nice golden crisp in color. You can see how lovely it looks. I will be eating all for sure.
I think the cameraman has also got lucky.
Yes, today he is very lucky. He is always lucky. He always tries my dishes.
Right.
Yes.
Mahua, looking amazing, Chef.
Thank you. And I'll just put another one.
I think, Chef, by doing the plating, the dish also signifies its value if
Yes.
the plating is done properly.
It does. You know, plating plays a very important role. And as we say that people eat with their eyes. So if your food doesn't look nice, is somebody gonna eat it and somebody gonna order it? So this is our first priority. That food should look nice. It should be well balanced, well portioned, nutritious, and yes. And then this is our last. Let us roll.
Chef, there's a request from Monica Amit Kumar saying, please teach us some Punjabi recipes. Also, she's saying love from Oman.
Definitely. You can. I will be preparing something nice Punjabi dishes. Maybe I can make a Punjabi chole or something. And but I will do those on Amul Arabia. So you have to wait a bit for it. And definitely, as you are in Oman, so you will be there on Amul Arabia. And I'll be doing some nice Indian dishes with a twist, with something with Middle Eastern mix or maybe international, and with a twist.
Rinku Singha is saying nice color, Chef, very complimenting.
Thank you so much. And now
Divya saying deleting tips from you, Chef. Thank you.
thank you. And we are just garnishing our tofu cups. And after that, we have our sauce ready, the peanut dip. Just have a small spoon. You can just pour it over the sauce, or else you can put it over the tofu, or else you can just put it on the side. It totally depends how you want to plate it. And yes, our nice healthy keto green dish is ready and ready to serve. We'll just drizzle a bit of a sesame oil over it, and we are done.
Chef, I'm really feeling very hungry. I just had lunch, but still, by seeing your dish,
The cameraman is laughing, Revati, because he said he wants to eat everything. So you can't get anything. Rohit is very excited. Yes. So our dish is ready for today. That is tofu wraps with peanut soya dip very healthy, keto friendly, vegan. There is nothing much we have used. Everything is vegan. And if you are not on a keto diet, you can prepare the same dish with a bit of a twist. You can use a cabbage, you can use paneer, you can add on some of the spices. But this dish is particularly for all the people who are on a keto diet, as it's really healthy. And yes, you can have a look. You can show them once again.
Chef Mama Gupta says, awesome, thank you for sharing this amazing recipe.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Revati, for assisting me on the live session. Thank you so much, Rohit, for holding the camera upside down sometime. But it's good that the viewers always comment and make sure that everything is sorted. Hi, Monica Amit Kumar. No, I'm not in India. I'm in UAE. Thank you for sharing the healthy and quick recipe. Thank you so much, Pratibha. Thank you so much, Sherbanu. Guys, don't forget to visit my YouTube channel as well as my Instagram. That is I am Sarthak Kochar. I'll be coming live with Amul Arabia, as I already told. I have 4 sessions in January. It will be afternoon sessions with Chef Sarthak Kochar. So I'll be coming once a week, and I'm coming live on 25th most probably, and 30th as well on Amul India with a different sort of recipe before the year ends. So I want to do a last session on 30 and to finish it off. I'm following up you from the first live session in Amul India. Thank you so much, Monica Amit Kumar. Thank you so much. Hi, Rinku Singha. Thank you so much. 30 December would be my last session of this year, and then we'll be coming up with 2021 with different sort of recipes with different Chef Sarthak. We'll be turning a year old. So yes, it will be another session. So Revati, would you like to say something?
Yes, Chef, sure. I just want to thank all the viewers, and especially Amul. It's almost the end of the year. Chef has done amazing session in this year and coming forward. And I want to really thank the viewers who are very consistent, very patient, and shows a very positive approach towards the dishes that he has brought, and also the comments that we have received. It's quite commendable, and really thank you. And we see to in the future endeavors so that our good rapport is being maintained, and we are in touch and in good terms. Thank you, Chef,
definitely.
and thank you all the viewers.
Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you again on 30th of December at Amul India, and don't forget to subscribe Amul Arabia and visit my live sessions. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you so much, everybody.